Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex-lovers mad that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody giving no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going through changes.
Welcome people, it's your girl Chrissy and I'm back at it again with another video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become a part of the K-Stylers, as well as click that bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. In today's video, I will be doing a quick unboxing / review of the Tinashe headband wig. I've been waiting for this for a while now and I'm super excited to review this for you guys. I've always wanted a quick, easy slap and go wig, and these headband wigs have been a game changer. So I decided to get one in straight for when I'm feeling very, you know, elegant and classy and I just want to like whip. So if you are interested in seeing this wig, then just keep on watching. The wig that I'll be reviewing is the Tinashe straight human hair headband wig. I'll give you guys the details really quickly just so you have an idea of what I'm talking about. It has 150% density. The wig length is 14 to 26 inch and it is 100% virgin hair from one donor. It is natural black, but I did pull it earlier just to look at it to make sure everything was okay, and it did have that natural black brown color, which is super nice. It can be dyed and it has 4 clips, as well as the cap size is an average cap size with adjustable straps. So that is pretty much it for the specs. I will go in more detail once I open her up. So as you guys know, if you've ever bought wig from Tinashe before, this is what it usually comes in, a little silk baggie. So this is what she looks like. We are going to open her up, and of course she comes with the wig, and she also comes with a little bit of goodies. They give you like one headband, and the headband that I got is this pink headband with like green leaves, very tropical. And I also got their little promo booklet. Got wig caps, 2 wig clips, and I also got a wig band, some bobby pins, which I've never actually gotten bobby pins from them before. And I also got some Wings eyelashes, some Wings 3D eyelashes. So I got the straight headband wig. So she comes into this clear little baggie and she is protected with a net like all hair does. So we're going to take her off. And also an inside little filler. So I got this wig in 22 inches. This is what she looks like straight out of the baggie, very flowy. And this is the black headband. On the inside, she has 4 clips. She has 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and 1 at the back. And this is what the headband and wig connection looks like. And the back part is just pretty much like Velcro, which is stretchy. That's what makes it adjustable. So it's very soft from what I can tell straight out of the bag, and I'm not really getting any shedding with running my hands through it. As you can see, it's a very natural brown black color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a really nice, pretty black brown color. So I'm just gonna try it on really quickly. I'm going to kind of prep my hair so you guys can see how this looks on, and I'm gonna come back to you and give you my thoughts on what I like about it, what I dislike about it, and all that good stuff. I'm zooming in a little bit more with you guys, and I'm gonna go in with my She Is Bomb edge control. This is one of my favorites right now. I'm pretty much almost out. And I'm just going to use my edge brush and brush up my little edges and also kind of do a little baby hair action. So I'm going to try and get this as smooth as I possibly can, and also try to, without actually pulling these braids out, because I was rocking a quick little unit before this. So let's see if we can just add on the wig. I am going to want a little bit of edges. Now, and I'm going to put on my wig cap. And after that is finished, I'm going to put her on. And this is the other little flap, and I'm just gonna like connect them. But before I do, I'm gonna find the claw clip and I'm gonna like kind of just hook it. This is what she looks like so far. Let me just comb her out. As you guys can see, let me come in a little bit more. This is what the band looks like. So this is me with the unit on. As you guys can see, she is very silk, very smooth when you run your hands through her. She's not giving me any tangles. She's very flowy, bouncy. The density is 150%, and when on, she reaches me about, I guess, a little bit below my boobs, and at my back it reaches me a little bit above my butt area. As you can see, it's very flowy, very bouncy, very silk. It's very straight. So this wig comes with also a headband, and this is what she looks like. I will try her on so you guys can see in a sec. This is really quick. It's supposed to be a really quick install, which is what I love about this, and it looks really nice. So let me just try this on for you guys really quickly so I can give you like my final thoughts. So this is what it looks like with the headband that they gave me, which it's all right, but I'm gonna try it on with a more simpler headband and one that I actually bought. This is the headband that I got that I'm going to try with it. I'm gonna push back the black band a little bit, and I think it is super cute. So this is pretty much what the hair looks like. I am in love. It is very versatile. It's easy to put on. If you're the kind of person who wants a wig to just put on and go, then headband styles are perfect for you. This headband wig is super nice. The hair is really soft. Shipping actually didn't take as long as I thought it would have. It actually came early, and I super duper love it. The only con that I will say that I do have about this hair is that I wish it was higher density. It is 150 density, and I wish it had a little bit more volume. That's about it, honestly. But other than that, it is very sleek, very straight. It doesn't tangle, and I have not gotten any shedding since I have tried this wig on. So if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thick thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel to get informed about more goodies, you know what I'm saying? And don't forget to stay positive and life surprise you, because it will anyways. It's your girl Chrissy, and I am signing out. Bye guys.
Yeah.